Hi guys, this is updates in Builderall. I'm going to give you a little walkthrough when you get started with Builderall. So when you go inside the back office, you will see this little book, which is also here because it's called the knowledge base. So if you click on this, this is where it all happens. This is where all the trainings are. If you don't remember what times they are, you can join the Builderall groups and the communities. If you can speak German and other languages, you can choose those as well. But the really good, important one is the Builderall University, which is live with Shelley Turner. It's 4 o'clock EST, which is 9 o'clock English time in the evening. I have been on one where you can go into the live Zoom room there. You can ask anything. So if you want to know how to promote Builderall on Facebook or YouTube or whatever, you can ask Shelley that. Or if you're stuck on building a funnel, you can ask that. If you're stuck and you're a complete beginner, she will answer beginners' questions too. So if the important resources are the Builderall YouTube channel, Builderall Assistant, the branding kit, that's all the colours and the logos. Let me just show you the resource board. So any new promotions or any new products that we add in, they will add some email swipes, some pictures, some banners, promo kits, anything and everything. It's all done for you these days. Okay, so also the Monday member meeting is the most important one that you should go to at all costs, even if you catch the replay, because it's all the updates of this week. So the updates for this week are, if I go into apps and go into Builderall Website Builder, which used to be called Cheetah, this is one of the new things already because Builderall 6.0 is coming out. And it's the new look Cheetah Builder. So now you can go straight to the website there. You can go straight to the page, edit the actual site there, and go to the settings here. So all this, you can connect your domain as normal, transfer it, publish, unpublish. Or if you want to actually edit one of the funnels, you just click edit as normal. So it's a cleaner version of Cheetah, basically. So if you can click the pending page, you can duplicate the page, create a new page, and you can also go to page settings. And if you go there, you can go back to the list of pages or Builderall Builder Home, which is the Cheetah Builder. But it still says Cheetah on my screen. So that's how that one works. So if you're new to Builderall, you can go quick start training. There's email marketing, Builderall University Live with Shelley can be accessed there. There's Facebook ads courses, all the notices. This is the hub here, the support. This is the hub where all the updates are there. So you can Builderall updates. Obviously, the R50 SM and R50 FC are throughout July. So this will not happen for much longer because the prices are going up, guys. And if you want to know the 6.0 updates, you click here. and it gives you an inside update on what the new all the new tools are going to look like, with the title here and a wraparound icons there and icons across the top and the side, and then we're going to interchange with, for instance, the photos that's inside the funnels, that's inside here, that's inside there, that you can use in other ones. They're going to be listed there as well, so it's better connectivity. So that's it for today, guys. I'll see you on the next video, but get Builderall now while it's still cheap before July the 14th, because it's going up.